Dan, ride it back this way.
Look at her ears.
We need to get some cows for her to herd and work off some of that weight.
Look, we gotta wait for her.
Yeah.
Look, she's already winded. Look at her.
See if I can cross the room without getting ran over. Where is it, Chloe? She's like a dang cat. Oh, God. Can't even see the laser light most of the time. On the camera, you know?
It just looks like we got retarded animals. It doesn't far from the truth.
No.
Damn, Mocha moves out like she's a cat.
Maybe they're cats in their past life.
Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Which dog or the cat?
These big vicious pit bulls chasing laser lights.
With the cat. Not eating meat.
Oh, that's the